hit a rock, checking air pressure. Inspections. This is just one of the, looking at the underside of the truck here. That was just one of the ways they do inspections here at the Daniels Port of Entry. Using the creeper. That's just kind of a unique way. What we're doing it on is, you'll see our Truck Smart semi-truck. Basically what this bad boy does is goes around to high schools all around Utah to educate up and coming drivers how to, I don't know, better interact with them while they're on the road. You got to give them space. They can hop into the truck, get an idea of kind of where the blind spots are, I guess, too, on some of these big rigs. And so once they hop into the driver's seat, they're like, wow, there's actually not a lot of space for you to see other vehicles that are behind you as you're trying to merge and get into other lanes and whatnot. So we thought that what better way to do an inspection than on our own Truck Smart semi-truck. Enjoy the video, watch me roll around, and figure out how I got so dirty. Let's do an inspection. Let's get on the creeper, the crawler.
Okay, I've been at this port of entry around 3 years. Prior to that, I had been a state trooper here in the state of Utah. I'd done that for about 32 years. I started inspecting trucks, I don't exactly know when. It was sometime after the Olympics.
Climb up with you.
This is sort of nice and refreshing. I don't have to worry about a lot of stuff that I used to.
Side lamp, we're good. And then again, you pick those two, I'll kick these two. If you want to feel lug nuts, you may feel the lug nuts.
Feeling.
Okay.
The trucks come to me. I've got a very safe place to inspect trucks. I don't have to worry about getting hit roadside or anything like that. Or
Left signal, right signal, turn that off, apply your foot brake, let it go. And then again, he's got on the back the DOT tape.
So using the creeper, why do you prefer that way of inspecting?
This is Dick's preferred method.
Is there any elegant way to?
There is no graceful way to get on or off. And as you get older, you make funnier sounds as you get on and off. You really do. So I usually like to go,
probably because I did years and years and years of doing it on the creeper.
Kind of just roll with it, you know?
so we can go under. Okay. I'm gonna have you do the same stuff I do,
Okay.
but you're gonna do it on that side, okay? Now, these are U-bolts that hold our springs onto our axles. Okay, all of them tight?
Yep.
Okay, then we're gonna roll back. You're gonna have to come out because we can't get under that axle. Remember how I said we'd look at this under because I couldn't reach it? And we're just gonna make sure that it is secure. It doesn't twist, it doesn't up or down or anything weird. It's secure, no rocking, no stuff.
Twisty.
We can twist, that's okay.
How did I do on the creeper?
Oh, you were excellent, man. It's like a pro.
Don't drive over your GoPro. Okay. I'll carry the...
I couldn't believe you. No lessons or nothing. It was great. 31 more, and we got you certified, and you can come up here and hang with us. For the amount of personnel we have, it is a pretty busy port. The oil tankers, you know, they're going 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. They never shut off. If I didn't believe that I was affecting safety in a positive way, I wouldn't be here. The whole goal of this is to make sure that the trucks and the drivers that travel up and down the roads here in the state of Utah are safe. And, you know, we want to reduce crashes any way we can.
Okay, so that's a wrap here at the Daniels Port of Entry. You'll see behind me there are still lots of trucks that come through, and where they're heading next, they're maybe Provo or Salt Lake, but they're heading through Heber, and there's a lot of them, and so lots of trucks need to be inspected and looked at. But safety's priority when they look at every single vehicle to make sure that the driver's safe, and of course that the people also out on the road are going to be safe as you're trying to get to your destination. So happy to come out, happy to see what these guys do again, and excited for the next video. So look forward to that.